Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I believe many WhatsApp users have this problem. The message history disappears after closing WhatsApp web for several days. This greatly affects work efficiency and communication. Don't worry, WAPlus's auto-sync feature can sync thousands of messages in minutes, and has already helped over 10,000 individual users and teams permanently save their contacts and chat history. In today's video, I will introduce WAPlus's message sync feature in detail. After learning this, you can easily sync personal and team information to greatly improve work efficiency. Remember to subscribe and like to support me. Let's get started. Part 1. Personal Sync. WAPlus provides auto sync and manual sync for personal use. You can choose based on your needs. First, manual sync. You can selectively sync important contacts, avoiding syncing useless information. Let me demonstrate how to use manual sync. First, open the browser extension. I suggest pinning it to always access it. Go to the chat interface. Select the contact you want to sync. Click the arrow button, select Workspace, and click Sync Now. When you see the Sync Successful message, the sync is complete. You can then see the synced customer information and chat history, including photos and videos, in the workspace. Compared to auto sync, manual sync allows selective backup of important customer chats. Second, auto sync. Auto sync can one-click sync all your contacts, perfect for WhatsApp users who want to quickly back up all chats. After enabling auto sync, click the arrow to see its auto-syncing. After a few minutes, all contacts will be synced. Moreover, once a contact is synced, any new chats with them will automatically sync, maximizing time savings. Part 2. Team Sync. If you have a team and need to manage customer info and chat history, WAPlus has a team version. Team Sync also has auto and manual options. As a team leader, you can create a shared contacts list in WAPlus. Let me demonstrate how it works. Create a team workspace, click Invite to invite members. They will receive an email to accept the invitation. In the management interface, the admin can choose between team-wide auto or manual sync. Click the icon on the left to see team members. Team Plan can choose your members' sync method. Choosing auto sync will automatically sync their customers to their workspace and the admins. Clicking this button shows all member customers. Manual sync works the same way. This allows the admin to centrally manage all member chats for information sharing. The contacts view also shows each member's customers clearly. WAPlus Sync meets personal and team needs. It easily backs up important information to prevent data loss and enable team information sharing, improving efficiency. Try it today to save all your and your team's data and not miss any customer. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and see you next time.